Hello, welcome to The New Sound. Today we'll explore the techno genre and how it relates to the music we make. Originating in Detroit in the mid-1980s, techno is a genre of electronic dance music that's all about futuristic sounds and a relentless beat. It was born from a blend of Chicago house, electro, and funk, with a bit of European influence. Techno is known for its repetitive instrumental music, usually produced for use in a continuous DJ set. Techno DJs and producers use a variety of hardware and software to create their music, including synthesizers, drum machines, and computer programs. This allows them to craft unique sounds and beats that are both hypnotic and energizing. Techno isn't just about music, it's an experience. It's about losing yourself in the rhythm and connecting with the crowd on a deeper level. Techno has evolved over the years, branching into numerous subgenres like minimal, dub techno, and industrial techno, each with its own distinct style. But at its core, it remains a genre that champions innovation and a love for the beat. The global techno scene is huge. From Berlin's legendary clubs to massive festivals like Tomorrowland, techno unites people across the world. Thanks for watching. Keep creating, and I'll see you in the next video.